easiest way to do it needs to be the safest way to do it. Hi everyone. I want to address a couple of common issues we face working on the larger hydraulic mining shovels. Firstly, there's a huge risk associated with manually adjusting the main pump pressure cutoffs. Typically, this has happened after some work on a shutdown, a pump replacement, O-ring change, hose replacement. The pump's at maximum pressure at high idle while the technician is right beside the pump. This is frightening for anyone who's ever done it. The other problem with this job is doing it the old-fashioned way. It takes 2 minutes. If you're doing one pump, you connect a gauge, you take your spanners, you get someone to pull the lever, you go down, you can adjust it, you can get it done, you can get away with it in absolutely minutes. The alternatives now for elimination of live work are leaning towards like an hour-long process, turning a 2-minute job into an hour-long job. It's no longer sticking to our path of least resistance safety philosophy. So it needs to be the easiest way to do it, needs to be the safest way to do it. And this is the basis for the development of our live pump tuning system that can be fitted to a Cat or Liebherr system with Rexroth pumps. So the idea of this is the operator or the technician can sit in the cab and instantly they can identify a problem, they can go into the cab and then they can bring up the screen and then they can make an adjustment on a pump live while it's there on the breakdown or on the job without having to run back to the workshop, collect all the new elimination live work tooling, spend all the time setting it up just to do this, what was once a 2-minute job. We've done a successful bench test on the prototype, so it's a simple concept. This the basis for the design has existed for many years, and it's probably existent on other manufacturing mining excavators, particularly in civil and the smaller equipment. It might come across as a really radical modification to make to a machine. However, it's really subtle. The obvious concerns people might have with a system like this is the two risks of, will it, one, take the pressure far beyond what the machine is capable of? And the answer is no. The machine's already has existing primary and secondary relief valves, so it's already protected like that. The other risk is, will it lose pressure to the degree of impacting productivity? Unlikely. So it will be, if it fails, it will just drop back 20 or 30 bar from pressure cutoff. That will obviously be detected by the operators, but it will still be able to operate through until a fuel up or an inspection time when a technician can quickly come out and address that matter.